Welcome to the channel, guys. I am just coming from the garden. I'm going to make Stevie's dinner. He wants veggies with saltfish and boiled food. So I'm going to make his dinner now. Welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome to our new subscribers. We appreciate you so much. Thank you for liking and sharing our videos. Thank you for the lovely comments. We appreciate them. Now, I need to stop talking and I need to get going on this food before gentleman get off that roof and come in here for his dinner. All right, so let's go into the kitchen and prepare this yummy, fresh veggie straight from the garden. And guys, I got beetroot as well from my garden just now, so I'm going to make him some beetroot pineapple juice. How does that sound? Let's go. Guys, let me show you my all from the garden. Check out this pak choy. Beautiful. Some peppers, all sorts of little peppers, sweet peppers and hot peppers. Let me wash those. My red callaloo. Guys, if you've not tried it, try it. Give it a try. I got some tomatoes, a single red okra, but I have some more that my husband harvested yesterday to put with this one. But the thing I'm most excited about are my beets. I'm going to make beetroot and pineapple drink for him with these beets that I grew myself. Amazing. Alright, so guys, I'm going to clean up all of this, wash them thoroughly, and then I'll get back to you when I've, well, done cleaning and washing and cutting. Fortunately, we've not had any worms on our veggies for, well, I walk around in the morning and pick off the eggs before they hatch out into worms. So I don't need to wash my veggies with any salt because there are no insects on them, thankfully. Because I am terrified of insects. Well, not terrified of insects, but terrified of eating insects. So I have my saltfish boiling, and this is what the beetroot looks like with the skin still on. I'm going to peel them. I can't bring myself to making the drink with the skin on yet, no matter how clean I wash them. And these are the leaves and the stalks. I'm going to put these in the drink as well. These are my callaloo and pak choy, and my other veggies are right next to me right here. Let me prep these and get it in. This is the yam that I'm giving him to eat with it. This is a piece of renta yam. I'm gonna peel a piece of this and give him to eat with the veggies. Oh wow, look at that. This is what happens when you grow your own beetroot. That's beautiful. Wow. This is rich and so beautiful. Incredible, guys. Look at that. Wow. Check that out. So beautiful. So I'm making some cornmeal dumplings. Cornmeal flour. Alright, so there you have it. Those are the pak choy and kalaloo. The okra, told you I had more. And peppers, tomatoes, a sweet pepper, the banana pepper, scotch bonnet peppers, tomatoes, garlic and onion. And my salt fish, I boiled it, washed the excess salt out and flaked it, remove all the bones and skin. So we're ready to cook up our salt fish and veggies now. I have my yam and dumpling boiling away in there. Alright, so I'm going to fry up the salt fish first. And that's how you release the flavor and everything else. Fry up my aromatics. All of my seasoning. First. Don't have to wait for them to be translucent, the onions, because I'm going to fry the saltfish a little bit as well. I'm going to season the saltfish with a little black pepper and a little all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm going to add the veggies. This veggie, it looks like a lot, but it's going to be a very small portion when it's done. And I'm not steaming, I'm stir frying, so I'm going to allow the pot to remain open, so all of the juice, the water evaporates, because the pak choy is packed with water, high water content vegetable. The pak choy. I don't want water to be settled in the pot, so I'm going to allow it to just evaporate. I'm going to season the veggie with the same black pepper and all-purpose. You know the saltfish is salty. Saltfish are codfish. It's salty, so we don't need to add any salt at all. To just leave this on low flame and go and make the drink. So these are the greens from the beetroot, and the beetroot, they're under there. And this is some frozen pineapple cuttings. I'm going to use this along with some ginger to make my juice, and sweeten with some brown sugar. Ask Daddy to help you. Ask Dada to help you. Baby? That is my baby for you. Your juice almost ready. You see it, Rich?
Yeah.
You can't buy noodle in the market, Rich, so you know. It's so rich. look at the color on that. This is just 4 beetroot. Look at that. Guess what, guys? Which one of you can guess what's up now? Yep, got it right. Dinner is ready. Ready like Freddy. So guys, after a long day of work, my gentleman is down there patiently waiting on his food. So let me hurry up and share him food so he can enjoy his dinner. He has been working all day, all week. He's supposed to can't eat that off. He's supposed to be able to. My background music, that's my boy. So that is dinner. Take a look at that. Would you have a dish of this? Tell me if you'd like a plate.
Mommy, hungry. Chai pot twist.
You hungry?
Bad.
You work hard, so you deserve it. Hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry, bad man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Dada.
Thank you.
Come here, need to taste the juice.
Thank you.
You're saying thank you too? You're not eating
You
nothing.
wanna see my name Juice? Watch it.
You're welcome, buddy.
You're welcome.
Here you go.
Not even 7-star hotel and I get them fine dine and
Every
exquisite.
husband's supposed to get their food like this.
Yeah, so take time with me now, man.
Don't, guys. Just
You want
dumpling?
dumpling?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell me how it tastes.
Jeez, I'm pissed.
You nice?
Refreshing.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. We're going to leave you here.
Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for. I wish I could have joined me for the food.
Yeah, ma'am, can I share it? Thank you guys. If you're watching and you've not yet subscribed, please press that subscribe button and also the notification bell. Remember to like and share, guys. For those who have been sharing and for those who have subscribed, hi, I'm right here. For those who have subscribed, thank you. Welcome to our family. We wish you could have dined with us.
Fresh from the garden.
Yes.
Fresh from the rocks.
Continue to like and share our videos, guys. Take care. See you in the next one.
It's nice.
It's nice? Great. I'm going to get my food. I'm coming.
Nice.